Replace a curing fan resistor module on the HP Latex R printer series when it is damaged or broken. Before replacement, make sure the printer is idle. Unload all substrate and close all covers and windows. From the IPS or internal print server, touch Maintenance. In the list of maintenance operations, touch Replace a curing fan resistor module and then touch Start. The screen displays instructions for the replacement process. Keep in mind, if you follow the steps in this video, the instructions can just be used as reference. Turn off the printer and the main switch. Move the output roller down. Use a screwdriver to completely loosen the 3 screws on the curing module cover. The screws remain at the cover. Lift the curing module cover. Separate the temperature sensor cable and then disconnect the 2 remaining power cables from the connection panel. Unroute the cables from their path. Use a screwdriver to loosen the screw, securing the curing fan resistor module to the curing module. The screw remains at the fan resistor module. Slide the assembly out of the printer. Use the pins to position the new curing fan resistor module and then push it in. Tighten the screw to secure the curing fan resistor module to the curing module. Reroute and reconnect the power cables. Push the cover of the curing module to close it, and then tighten the 3 screws to secure it. Move the output roller up.